Okay, so this is a little bit of nature, whatever you want to see, and it ends for me. Bring y'all in. So this is what's going on out here. So, and then it's so pretty over here. And believe it or not, y'all, I don't come to Shelby Farms that often. Honestly, don't. I don't come to Shelby Farms that often. But sit over here. What's over there? What's wrong? All right. Really? I get this. Get out of my way, Auburn. I know. And I may need it. We're gonna act like we can get it. What is it? I sure may.
You stop joking like that. But she asked what was it. So how you gonna need it but you don't know what it is? I'ma sit down.
I guess this the last stop.
Yes, last stop.
Last stop and so they do canoeing here in canoeing, and then they do zip lining here too. Just not on this end. They do, cause it's over there.
I said they do zip lining, but they don't do parasailing. Parasailing is when you're up in the air like an airplane. They don't do that. Zip lining is on the rope across the lake.
Oh yeah. So I just came from High Point. It is a rock climbing location, and that's where I was. And if y'all remember me telling y'all that I used to do a lot of rock climbing back when I was in college. And I do remember that it did take me a minute. And it took me a minute, and then I would just do 2 steps at a time. And then this is just that's just a thing of when you're rock climbing, you have to work your way up. And I did 2 steps at a time, 2 steps at a time. And then every time that I used to go, and I used to go every other day, not every day, but every other day. And 1 second, YouTube.